Inbound versus outbound email marketing. Difference in 2024 U. Inbound email marketing attracts customers through engaging content and SEO, focusing on providing value to naturally draw them towards your brand. Outbound email marketing is proactive, using email campaigns and cold emailing to directly target potential customers and generate interest and leads. Emails are classified as inbound or outbound based on their content, purpose, and target audience. Choose between inbound and outbound email marketing based on audience engagement and goals. Inbound is for nurturing leads and long-term engagement, while outbound targets new prospects and immediate results. Mixing strategies can enhance your email marketing impact. Benefits and outcomes. Inbound email marketing delivers higher quality leads, increased customer loyalty, enhanced brand reputation. Outbound email marketing provides rapid lead acquisition, immediate brand exposure. Choose inbound email marketing for long-term growth, niche audience targeting, and enhancing customer loyalty through tailored content and personalized interactions. Choose outbound email marketing for quick market penetration, generating high-volume leads, and testing market response to new offerings or messages. Introducing AnyBiz.io, a leader in outbound email marketing. AnyBiz.io is a game-changer in outbound email marketing for 2024. With AI-driven personalization, it boosts conversion rates and lead quality. It streamlines marketing efforts, reduces time to conversion, and ensures scalability. AnyBiz.io provides a competitive edge by staying ahead of trends and fostering stronger customer relationships, making it a strategic partner for improved sales and ROI. Before you say goodbye, give us a thumbs up and hit subscribe to ensure you're always in the know with our upcoming releases.